Tesla just capped its phone engineers at $200 a week budget for AI tools because some of them were burning thousands and thousands of dollars every single week. Meanwhile, there are frontier AI models sitting out right now which are giving away 100 million tokens for free. Yes, 100 million tokens. And there is no catch. You don't even need to provide any credit card. You don't even need to sign up. And underneath those, there's a whole permanent free layer that most people never touch. I'm a machine learning researcher and I have not paid for any AI inference tool in weeks after knowing this. Let me show you every single one that actually works and I'll test them live and then show you the stacking trick at the end that multiplies all of it. This is the website which is called Inference. I'll attach the link, and in this basically you can see you can use any powerful model, right? And if you can check, there is Kimi 2.6, GLM 5.2, MiniMax, and all those models are pretty insane. Like Kimi 2.6, GLM 5.2, they have like starting from 256,000 context token to 1 million context length, and literally you can use for free. You see they are giving us 100 million tokens for free and there is no catch, and it's OpenAI compatible, so you can use it with any tool that you are using. And to get the API key, it's pretty straightforward. You click on get API key and over here it would show you to claim your API key. So scratch to claim, so just click it there and you have your key. That's all. Your API key is already copied. Now you can use with any model you want. MiniMax 2.7, Kimi 2.6, GLM 5.2, and you see like GLM would be there soon, which is the most advanced model right now. For me, you can start using right now, and the same with MiniMax. So offers can come and go anytime. So if you guys want some kind of a free solution forever, another permanent solution is Google AI Studio. So there is a lot of models which have been released like in a free tier, and there are multiple Gemini, like Gemini 3.5 Flash, there is Live Translate, Flashlight. So based on your requirement, there are different multi-model. If you're looking for text, image, video, audio, there are multiple models. Some of them are having free trial that you can use it for free, but there is a limit how many requests that you can make per month, and it's written in front of the table that is shown here. I'll attach the link so you guys can have a look. But another impressive model that you can use it for free is something called Groq, and Groq is famous for its speed because they use LPU, which is exceptionally built for the inference speed. And if you look at their solutions, some of their models, like on the large scale, they are producing 320 tokens per second for a model like Llama 70 billion. And the best thing about them, for the developers, you can still get the free API key from their website directly, and you can also look into their LPU architecture if you are interested in knowing more. And the last one is NIM. So NVIDIA recently released the list of models which are having free endpoint that you can use through NVIDIA's build.NVIDIA models. There are more than 76 models. They keep on adding and deleting, but the best part is you can use GLM 5.2, which is one of the best models. All the models are downloadable from here with the free endpoint, and it's not about text generation. You can literally find all the models. You can look for the biggest model like 550 billion model here, which is Metron. You can also look for diffusion model, MiniMax M3, or even if you're looking for an image, DeepSeek, you can literally find all the models you ever need at free of cost. Although the model keeps on changing, but you see how they have classified, like if the model is for video understanding, for the TTS, LLM safety, autonomous vehicle, all of these models they are giving for free to use. Okay, so here's the part almost nobody does, and is the whole reason I made this video. Every one of these provider has its own independent rate limit. Google doesn't know or care what you are doing with Groq. Groq doesn't care what you are doing with NVIDIA. So you don't pick one, you stack them, and the scene is simple. You can open your app, you can use any router like Open Router and connect whatever you want. Gemini, Groq, NVIDIA's NIM, whichever model you want. You put a simple router in front and you spread your calls across them. Long context goes to Gemini, needs to be fast goes to Groq, and if it's a big batch, you can sum all of that. And if you want to know more about that, let me know in the comments. I'll attach the whole playbook with this video's description. Honest warning, because I'm not going to sell you a fantasy one. Free tires change constantly. The numbers I gave you are accurate today. Check them before you depend on them. And the second point, think about what you send. Is free subsidized gateways are great for side projects, learning and experience, but don't pipe in your company's private data through a random free endpoint you found in any YouTube video, including mine. Use free for the 90% that doesn't matter. Pay for the 10% that does actually matters in your life. If this saved you money, subscribe. I break down what AI actually costs and how not to pay.